Hi guys, welcome back to Caribbean J03. Welcome back to my kitchen. And today I will be preparing lemon and garlic chicken. Yes. And that will be a part of the Sunday dinner for today. Anyway guys, let's start cooking. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix all my marinade in one. I have a little bit of warm water in the bottom there so I can dilute the chicken base, the chicken seasoning in here. Okay guys, this is done. I'm gonna add all my wet seasoning in here first. Then my garlic. That should be good. And yes, I will be leaving all the measurements and the ingredients in the description below. I would say lemon and garlic, right? Let's do lemon and garlic. And yes, guys, we have to spice this up, season this up, send it home with a bash. Yeah. I have about close to, they look like close to 5 pounds of chicken, or just about. And I'm using chicken drumsticks today, guys. A lot of people use the chicken breast. We'll save the chicken breast for my sister's sandwiches.
Thank you.
And I'll repeat this and then do the chicken breast for her in the oven for her chicken sandwiches and her wraps, because that girl loves wraps. Yes guys, you heard her, with bacon. My sister and bacon, I think they are very good friends.
Yes, we are. We're besties.
Oh my god, guys, I wish if you guys could smell this. Those are the chicken base that I use, a little bit more chicken base. Can't go wrong with it, guys. Can't go wrong with that. And my lemon zest. And then I'm gonna taste before I put the salt in there, because I don't think I need salt with all that seasoning that I just put in there. So let me taste it for salt. I think I need a little bit. I'll just put a pinch of salt in it, just a pinch or two. All right. I think I'll add the rest of my garlic in here. And I need lemon juice. So give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, I had used the zest that I put in there is from this 2 lemon that I have. So I'm gonna juice them in here. Oh, yes, Lord. Get all that in there, all that in there. Don't be afraid. I just have a brilliant idea. I'm gonna put some of the juice on the side so I can drizzle on top of the chicken. You see how juicy it was? Look how much juice I got out of it, guys. And a seed got away in there. You have to pluck that little bugger out from there. That is awesome. Awesome. Yes, Lord. I say so myself. Oh, yeah, guys. This is looking good right here. You think you're gonna taste the love the lemon? I think so. What you guys think? Woo. Let's taste this. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is good. All right, I'm gonna set this aside. Right back to season the chicken. Okay guys, the chicken has been washed and ready for the marinade. And we just did. And I had my sister taste it, and now she wants it as a dip. Guys. Guys, this came out so good. Oh my God. Oh. Okay guys, you can leave this to marinate anywhere from a half hour, 45 to about 45 minutes to up to 8 hours, or put it back in the freezer and use it next week. Because guys, the longer it sits in the marinade, oh Lord, it's gonna be off the hook. And then you guys can thank me later or send an invitation. Oh yeah, this is good. And I will pour the lemon juice when I put this in the pan to pop it in the oven. So I will see you guys when it's time to cook it. Okay guys, the chicken is ready to go into the oven. So it's been marinating. I don't think my sister will like these chicken legs because they're not as big as she normally like it.
Oh, I'll have to make it up too.
Oh guys, I'm just gonna ignore her. Alright. That's one. Then this way I can hopefully get more in there. Because I'm gonna pop them in the oven. Pop it in the oven. Just stuff that in between there. That's a little piece. I might just give my sister that one.
Hey!
Oh, Lord. I'm trying to do one pan, guys, but it's not looking like it's gonna work for me. But I'm gonna get all of them in this one pan.
Don't crowd the thing. They will not be able to cook properly.
Girl, they will cook there in the oven.
Actually, they're probably gonna shrink.
Exactly.
Not that I'm encouraging you.
Okay, guys, it's not gonna work. Shut up, Cherry. Oh, Lord. Some people. I need a small hotel pan because I don't have a lot of chicken left. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I found a quarter of a hotel pan.
What's a quarter of a hotel pan?
This one.
Where'd you even find that?
It's gonna work.
Right.
All right, guys. Okay, and this is the marinade from the chicken. And I'm gonna pour the lemon juice. Remember the one that we had? Pour it in here. And then I'm gonna pour these, all this goodness going over the chicken with a little bit of unsalted butter. Give me 1 minute, guys. Oh. All right, guys. I have some onions also. Okay.
Oh. You want me to help you? You want me to cut some foil for you?
Yes, Chair. Cut the foil.
Oh, good, because I'm working for chicken.
I know you're working for chicken. Go for the gun. Cut. Sweet Jesus, guys. I swear.
I am working for chicken.
Okay, guys. Under normal circumstances, you don't put the hat with the chicken and don't store it. I'm doing this because I'm putting this chicken in the oven now.
And I'm waiting.
And nobody asked for that amen corner. Okay, and I will be slicing up some lemon for the garnish, but that will be at the end when it's already done cooking.
And I'll taste it.
Before my sister tastes it. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys. You want to cover that one chair, please? We'll cover it. I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out of the oven and remove the top. We'll put it back for like 20-25 minutes, guys. Alright. See you guys in 45 minutes. My sister already covered the other one. Okay, guys. We're at that point to remove the foil. And look at that. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I put it for 25 minutes to get some color. Because yes, oh Lord. This is smelling good over here, guys. Smelling good, smelling good. So put it back in the oven and then take out the small one. There we go. I'm gonna baste it. And you pop it back in the oven. Okay, put it back in the oven now. Alright, I'll set it for 20 minutes. See you guys in a few. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them under the broiler. I'm gonna put it in under the broiler to get a little bit of color, and then we'll garnish it. Give me a minute. Okay guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, just a reminder, the lemon slices I'm putting on is only for garnish. If you wanted to have it longer, you will need to bake it with the chicken. This will prevent the chicken from spoiling quickly. See you guys in a few while my sister is waiting.
Okay.
Alright guys, it's been sitting with the lemon on top of it. Look at that, yes Lord. Isn't that picture perfect? Woo. Okay guys, let me get a plate. Okay guys, let me taste this. You want to taste it?
Yes.
Go here.
I'm wanting a bigger piece, but that's all right. I'll take that.
Pay her no attention, guys. Oh my Lord, look at that, guys.
The flavor is really good.
Yes.
And the texture, nice and tender.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Mother.
Oh, well, my mother will be inhaling this.
Oh, guys, this is good.
The flavor is very good.
Ooh. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah. Oh yes, guys. What can I say? What can I say? Ooh, that chicken came out good. Yes, yes, that's another keeper. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my next video. Nope. Stay safe. God bless. And I will see you in my next video, guys.